April 27th, 2011. The worst super outbreak ever in world history. And we're going to be talking about it today. April 27th, 2011 was a massive tornado outbreak that ranks number 1 on the worst tornado outbreaks, surpassing the 1974 super outbreak. It was caused by a vigorous upper-level trough that moved through the southern plains on April 25th. It impacted Alabama, Mississippi, and Tennessee. Some of the tornadoes you might remember, like the Tuscaloosa tornado, the EF5, I think. A Birmingham tornado. This is the destruction of it. You see, like, trees destroyed, town destroyed, everything is destroyed. Some more destruction of the tornado. And as you can see, this is the entire path of the tornado. Went bunch of tornadoes clawed through the states. And the purples are EF5, so lines, limestone, I think, but this is ugly. This is. I'll show you one of the tornadoes. Hold up. It's all about the ads, cause these were insane. This is the 219 tornadoes, and 307 people lost their life. 317, sorry. And this is a montage of all the tornadoes. I'm not gonna be watching the whole thing because I'm wanting some actual things. This is the EF5 Philadelphia Kemper County tornado. 3 people were. As you see, this is Andy Gables. So this is the tornado, and this is like the trees. This man filming. Oh, I think this is it forming. The cyclone's going down. It's like a bunch of things. This is like a street line or something. It's just like the damage. Look at that. Look at that twister. Look at that twister. And we're gonna skip to the Huckleberry Campbell tornado. This had 72 fatalities. And look at this. Look at the lightning. You see all the lightning? This thing is insane. It's a bunch of lightning. Look at this. Some of the tornadoes. And so yeah, it's an extra tropical cyclone. And so this is all the stuff, like the overview, meteorological overview of it. It's a bunch of catastrophe stuff that happened near super cells, I guess. And this is the same tornado, another tornado, this tornado, this tornado. The list goes on and on. So you remember on and on. So this is the tornado. This is, I think, I have no idea what it is. I can't see it. So this is the tornado just coming down, drooping down. This bunch of things through the thing. You can see like tornado, more destruction, more people here looking. It's like, no, I'm dead. Alright, so all of this is all everything. It's Alabama. There was 3 EF5s, 29 EF1s, 9 EF2s, 7 EF3s, 8 EF4s, and 3 EF5s. So, this is more stuff. This is tornado watch. This green stuff is like warnings, I guess. So this is another tornado. This is just a fat, big tornado. It's like big boy. It's another tornado. Another tornado. Another tornado. Oh, I accidentally clicked on it. Another tornado. And another tornado. And another tornado. And another tornado. So much tornadoes. Look, shot up here. These is like billions. This is like the rain. This is just drooping down. 2 tornadoes just there. Just a fat cloud just going over this. Then this is like a curving tornado. This could probably just murder every single person. Like, this is like a curved tornado just going down. And this is this is the tornado, you can see. You can see destruction. These are called subvortices. It's when a tornado is getting so hungry and desolate that it literally grows tentacles to get more power. And if tornadoes have this, they can increase in 100 miles per hour. So, yeah. You can see it's historic. It's down in history. There's a bunch of smoke here. This is the Tuscaloosa tornado. As you can see, it's a giant thing. As you can see, there's a black, endless void sucking everything up in its path. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is like, it's the worst tornado outbreak. It's like seeing everything. It's a bunch of destruction. This is the same picture I showed you guys before. This is still insane. It goes down here and turns into like a, it looks like kind of like a hand of destruction. It's like a straight line went through the state. I think it's state, right? Insane. Alright, this is the tornado track. This is Tuscaloosa. It just looks like a barren field of waste destroyed by the tornado. So yeah, this is like, was the worst tornado outbreak in history. So now, I'll leave you guys off for weather report of April 27, 2011.
And if you are close to any of those we call out, and you know you're in that polygon, you'll need to go to a more substantial shelter. And everybody that lives in a mobile home in the state should have a plan on what to do, whether it's 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon, weekday or weekend. The other place you don't want to be is a car. A large percentage of the people that die in our state from severe weather outbreaks like this are in mobile homes or cars. But on a day like today, with potential for large violent tornadoes, even site-built homes, you've got to do the right thing. And by that, we want you in a lowest level, basement if you've got one. If no basement, first floor is fine. Small room, that's a hall, closet, bathroom. You want to be away from windows and near the center. Don't worry about northeast or southwest corners. Forget all that. Just be near the center and you'll be fine. The most important thing is the lowest level. And you can see that we have no other storms in progress that are severe. There's some rain falling in Anniston and Gadsden, some showers here. And if you've been watching the Facebook and blog posts, you know, we said any of these storms could erupt and go severe in a heartbeat, and that's what's happened. And again, Jason is highlighting these other storms that are forming in this region. And again, that's the storm right there that's coming up through Jasper. That's the one that initialized west of Tuscaloosa. So again, let's go for a closer look, and we'll keep watching. And again, because of the damage to the infrastructure we suffered this morning, we're going to have a lot of power issues and communication issues. This will be a challenging, severe weather event. A lot of people are watching this via their smartphones because they have no power. And again, if you are in that situation, you know, I hope you charged your batteries, because we might be on the air for a long time. But again, back in the right rear flank of this storm, we have the possibility of a tornado that's just west of downtown Jasper. And again, a very strong velocity couplet. That's about as strong as they get. And again, and this is Columbus or Birmingham?
That's Columbus.
Okay, this is coming from Columbus Air Force Base in Mississippi. Okay, so that's the situation there. Green, those are the inbound. Red, those are the outbound pixels. And that's going to be scooting across the northern part of the city limits of Jasper. And again, you can see now the couplet is showing up north of downtown Jasper by maybe about 3 miles.
Alright, so I hope you guys liked that video. I hope you guys all have a good break. Get out of my recommendations. I do not want a Ukrainian lady. Get out of here. So I hope you guys like that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.